Hey YouTubers, it's your boy Twisted Customs. Gonna be working on a 1985 Harley Davidson Tour Glide Classic. It's my own personal bike just to get started. Have her for about 3 years. It's been several owners. She is nowhere near where I want her to be. And I'm hoping that I will be able to get her where I want her to be. I do have a few parts already to get started on her. Nothing major, nothing big. Just a few little tweaks. We'll be rebuilding the carburetor. If that doesn't work, then I will be actually replacing it with an actual Harley Davidson CV carburetor. I will show pictures of those parts or a video when I get a chance to actually get her out and where I can actually start working on her. Now, of course, I don't have a shed or anything like that, so unfortunately, I will be hopefully building like a makeshift shelter. Thinking out of PVC piping. It's also going to become kind of like a, well, it will become a paint booth as well, too. I'm not really sure if I want to paint her or if I want to actually do like get into vinyl wrapping. Never attempted it or anything like that. Something I would like to get into, maybe just not now. She's dirty. She's been sitting all winter in a makeshift shelter that I did, so hopefully I can get her out and get her cleaned up and start getting to work on her. So hope you guys enjoy the videos. This is my first one, so it's not exactly the greatest, but hopefully as the more content that I put out, you guys can follow along with me on this journey. So stay tuned and keep living those dreams.